The time now is 2:20. We are on our way to Kuala Selangor.
Taking footage.
Very hot Sunday today. Yes, Kuala Selangor. Here we come. Alright. So we got our drone bag. This is Stefan's very big drone bag. Okay, I got my bag also. My camera gears. We are now in Glen Marie area. It's going to take about 1 hour to Kuala Selangor. See you guys in the next 1 hour. This is the main road. That is Bukit Melawati. Okay, the weather is fine today. We are heading to one of the fishing village in Kuala Selangor. Right? We have no idea where it is, but we're gonna find out soon. Alright, see you. Sini. Stefan is getting ready, you know, to lift off. Okay, after half an hour, the drone is still surviving there.
5 p.m. We're checking footages. And we've done flying some drones, taking some drone shots over here. Now, the problem is we've been walking all the way here about for 30 minutes.
We are actually 1.2 km away from our car.
30 minutes walk depends on traffic.
We are here. Now we are going to here. Okay, maybe quite a walk faster, 80 minutes.
80 minutes. And we took 30 minutes. We did some stop, some pit stop. Yeah, so that's the road you're seeing. We're going all the way straight to the front. Okay. About 20 minutes. And we are reaching the main road. Hiking.
So now it's 7:15. Something happened here. It seems that when Stefan was flying the drone, suddenly it got disconnected, okay? And the drone came all the way down to this place. We are not sure of the exact location, but we can see from there are bubbles over there. I mean, it's a really expensive drone, but we are just trying to recover the wreckage and then to see if there's anything we can do about it. Macam sini tengok ada bubble kan?
Itu mahal ke?
Oh, mahal.
Ke dalam?
Nah, rasanya
Dalam?
ini dalam ah?
Iyalah.
Kayu. Ada kayu lah, ni kayu lah.
Susah kalau pakai kayu. Kalau orang turun boleh ini. Betul. Jadi
Ya, cubalah.
kalau macam ini tak boleh lah bang. Kena turun orang.
Orang kena turun lah.
Masuk dalam. Kalau pakai macam ini tak nampak. Kalau turun pakai orang cari boleh.
Okay.
Betul.
Buka lah. Buka kasut lah. Oh, sini saja. Buka kasut turun lah.
Sana?
Biar dia juga dulu.
Juga mau you turun.
Tak apa. Ni buka kasut dulu lah. Okay, so now Stefan is going down.
Boleh pinjam itu kayu tadi ya? Saya juga korek dulu lebih kurang mana.
看有没有生的东西。
Bos pegang ini lah.
Tapi
Tak payah pegang itu lah. Tangan taruh sini awak.
Sini dalam.
Kenapa dilempar?
Tak, dia tiba-tiba putus. Dia ada remote lah. Itu remote lah. Tiba-tiba dia putus lah, dia turun sendiri.
Kalau sampai kaki, cari-cari boleh. Kalau macam itu tak nampak. Kalau kaki-kaki
Boleh rasa.
boleh rasa.
Okay. I think you need to go further, right? Ada? Tak ada?
Ini bateri dia.
Hah? Rasa?
Rasa bateri, macam bateri.
Ah, bateri tu keluar?
Tapi jatuhnya ke mana tadi?
Lebih kurang sini lah. Oh, dapat. Sini.
Ada.
Okay.
Ada.
Ada.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. We managed to salvage. Okay, it seems.
Ini tak ada.
Yalah, ada dalam. Terjatuh. Ini dia punya bateri.
Oh, bateri.
Bateri.
Taruh sana dulu. Taruh atas. Okay.
Okay. We are really not sure what happened. Okay.
Tapi itu boleh pakai lagi?
Tak boleh.
Tak boleh.
Tak boleh. Tak boleh.
Thank you bang.
Ya, okey. Oh, nanti kalau sudah lama-lama kering boleh pakai.
Tak boleh.
Oh,
Eh, 你看啊，这样我不知道。Okey bang, terima kasih bang. Kacau you lah.
tak apa. Sama mah.
Okay, now we have discovered the destroyed aircraft.
Stefan, please reiterate what happened just now.
Okay. Firstly,
Uh-huh.
this is the remote. I was showing the aircraft just now,
Okay.
pushing forward for sunset.
Okay.
So there's the sunset. The aircraft was slightly behind me.
Okay.
Top. Then when it pushes forward,
Okay.
suddenly the aircraft is connected.
Okay.
Not sure why. It is connected. Then suddenly it kind of dropped all the way
Okay.
down straight.
Yep.
Which the aircraft is actually still
Turning.
turning. It's still
Was it still on?
Yes. Not sure.
Okay. So let's see the.
The camera
Oh
is
yeah,
gone.
the camera is gone. Okay. I
Camera
think
is
there's
gone.
no way.
No way can use.
There's no way can retrieve the camera. Okay, in that condition. Okay, but luckily one thing was there wasn't any people there just now. If it had fallen here, you know, it might hit people. Alright. So that is very lucky.
Need
But
to be very careful. So when you fly, you need to be at somewhere no people. That's very important.
that's why never to fly above people. Alright. So this is 7,000 gone.
This is camera.
Okay. Broken off.
Battery is out. The leg is
Broken off.
two pieces. And
This is the battery.
gone.
Alright.
We have to get retrieve
The
footage.
footage.
The footage still the use of. Gotta give it a wash.
Alright, so it's a pretty bad day for Stefan. I think it's a really bad day, okay? Whenever you fly, just make sure that your battery, the voltage is enough and the temperature is not too hot. Alright, so that's it. Stefan is all wet.
It's a bad day, but I can't do anything.
Yeah, there's nothing much you can do.
Yeah, nothing much can be done.
We don't have DJI refresh,
Yeah,
can refresh.
It's kind of fated when you're getting a drone, I think.
Alright,
So
tends to
yeah,
happen.
Just take it lah. Take it and
Alright,
there you go.
all wet, huh?
Wet. Inside also wet.
Okay.
This one also wet.
Alright, so that's it for today. I'll see you guys in our next one. Ciao.
See you. Hello, Macha. Can you tell us what you're doing?
Time nap.
Action. Jangan lari.